Today we're going to cook an omelette. Probably the most popular omelette in the UK I know of. Mushroom with cheese. I think omelettes need onion. I'm going to use half an onion. If you find onions too strong, maybe consider spring onion. So it's going to become omelette with onion, mushroom and cheese. I'm going to treat these videos like a complete novice for people who've never cooked before. So here we go. I've got 2 eggs, egg whites, herbs, rock salt, chili flakes. I like to cook with organic coconut oil, cheese, approximately half a mug, 6 to 8 medium-sized to small mushrooms. We're gonna finely chop the onion, mushrooms, and then I'll show you the rest. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and do that. With the mushrooms, I like to cut these tips off because they're tasteless. So I like to give my mushrooms always a wash because they can be quite soily. There's something about chopping mushrooms, it's very satisfying. It's very easy to chop and they just glide through. And again, finely chopping them because you want them to be easily and quickly cooked. The larger you leave your veg, the longer it takes to cook. So I'm gonna give this a wash. So we got a mushroom and onions in there, some mixed herbs, Himalayan rock salt, and a couple of pinches of finely chopped chili flakes. Egg whites, 1 egg, 2 egg, 3 eggs. Crack a full egg. If you're on the weighty side or high cholesterol, maybe just have 1 egg. Give it a good mix, and that's ready to be cooked. Okay guys, we're gonna fry the omelette. If you don't have a frying pan with a lid, you can use a foil, or it just takes a little bit longer. I would say cook it on slightly lower heat. So a little bit of oil just to coat the base. Nice and hot. Get the mixture in. Even it out a little. Spread it, and on a medium to high heat, it will cook quicker. Just cover the lid. Cheese is ready. Every few minutes check. And there you go, it's nicely sliding. Checking, just lift the edge up and just check. That's it, nicely cooked. Now a lot of people put cheese here and they fold it over. I find then the omelette inside is a bit too runny, so I prefer to cook on both sides. Second side slightly lightly and then put the cheese on. I'll show you how. You're not confident on flipping your omelette or fried egg, I show you a little trick. Put it onto a plate, put your hand underneath, cover it with the lid, and then very quickly flip it. There you go. If you get stuck like that, just spread it out. Now I'm going to cut it in half while the other side cooks lightly. Add the cheese to 1/2. So that was approximately half a cup to half a mug of cheese. Grab this and flip it on top of the other one like that. I know it's lightly cooked here, but remember it's going to get flipped. So let that cook. Almost done. This is edible and absolutely fine, but I like to have my omelette well cooked, so I'm just going to flip it one more time. Try our trick again. There, put your hand under, there, flip it. There we are. And here's our omelette, guys. Cheese and onion with mushroom omelette. If you're not too keen on the onion, you can leave it out, so it becomes mushroom and cheese. Enjoy. Lovely breakfast or snack or lunch or whatever. I'll catch you on another video real soon. Take care. Bye for now.